First and foremost, no, we would like to, again, papasalamat gid kami sa Casino Filipino Bacolod, no, PAGCOR, for giving us this opportunity and to materialize this training, no? Especially kay Sir Boyet, kay Sir Nestor, kay Sir Garong, no, the rest of the staff, and also to our branch manager, kay Sir Vigaspina, no? Thank you, Gid, because this is your first time, tama?
With the awareness of safety sa buong building at sa mga pamilya, sa mga neighborhood, sa communities. So, Casino Filipino Bacolod seryosong nag-coordinate with the help of Bureau of Fire Protection na magawa talaga yung company emergency response team represented by all divisions, first responder na. Patuloy namin gagawin to in the awareness of safety and security ng lahat ng involved, lahat ng mga stakeholders namin. Sana na mangyari yon sa lahat ng branches, na talaga ang PAGCOR, ang management ni PAGCOR in all its branches, maigawa rin to, kasi safety is our priority. Safety first, not only sa workplace but also sa aming mga sariling households, lalo na sa mga medical emergencies.
We would like to take this opportunity to give my gratitude to all the facilitators who gave this successful event, 4 days event that will give useful to our daily lives, not only for us but of course to others.
Ari sa urban place, and of course a lot of professional rescuer ari sa Bacolod City. But to tell you frankly, no, hindi tagitan siya manikawan, especially the big one. Once na ma-happen na, chaotic na siya. So we need all resources, no, to save lives. So that's why we will give you the training, no, para in case, no, matabong siya mga disaster, no, kabalok na, no. Ang ato na siya ng mga professional rescuer, busy na sila sa iban. Kung hindi pa kalabot sa inyo, wala kita you will feel helpless, no, sa atong workplace, no.
So anytime of day and night, firefighters would be able to execute that as second nature sa ila. And it's very fun to look on, pero it will help you in your workplace. Because not all the time makaabot tayo ng bumbero. Okay? Sa traffic pa lang naton, namin kaya nga kamo makabalo ng adaan. Kay may those are called first aid, first line of defense, sunog, sa medical emergency, and magamit nyo sa inyong personal na kabuhi. So, padayon kita, learn more, kay more than sa aton sa inyong workplace, magamit nyo na sa inyong personal na pangabuhi. And those are life skills actually. Life skills sa pagluto, pag-drive, magamit nyo gina. We don't know, you will be those unforeseen heroes sa mga travels nyo eventually nga makasave ka mo. Iskan sa simple lang nga pamaagi. Saving life, dako-dako na iyang medalya sa imong korason sa babaw.
Congratulations, you played yourself.